Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Pilot interior lights. Easy method. Start by locating the dome and map lights, then pop trim gently with a plastic tool. Always wear gloves so oils don't shorten bulb life, and keep track of screws or clips in a small container. Test each new bulb before reassembling to ensure correct fit and brightness, then replace clips carefully to avoid cracking lenses. In this video, I will show how to change Honda Pilot interior lights. Easy method. Gather a plastic trim tool, replacement bulbs, and gloves so you can protect finishes and bulbs. Work with doors open to keep power on for testing, and lay parts out in order to simplify reassembly. Match bulb type to the factory socket to avoid fit issues, and handle LEDs by the base, not the diodes. In this video, I will show how to change Honda Pilot interior lights. Easy method. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth might change how you think about money, and it pairs well with saving on upgrades like LED conversions. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Honda Pilot interior lights. Easy method. Pry the lens cover gently using a plastic tool to avoid damage, then remove the old bulb by pulling straight out or twisting if it is a bayonet type. Insert the replacement bulb securely, test it by closing or opening the door, and then snap the cover back into place while lining up clips to prevent cracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.